In this segment, we're going to detail the final part of moving or copying, not moving, copying the images into ShapeEffects. Well, to do that, start up iTunes, like we have here, and you'll want to click on, underneath Devices on the left-hand side, click on your iPad. Of course, the iPad will have to be attached to your computer as well. Once that takes place, up on top you'll see Summary, Info, and then Apps. We'll click on Apps, and what we want to do now is scroll down to the File Sharing section. Underneath here in Apps, you'll want to scroll this down, or this pane down, to ShapeEffects. So we'll click on that. And now these are the area, or this is the area, where you can share your files within ShapeEffects. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I did this prior just to get all the steps down before the video. I'm going to delete this though. So if you ever find out that, you know what, I want to delete some files out of ShapeEffects, well, this is how you do it also. So I'll click on this file that I want to delete and hit the delete key on the keyboard. This dialog will pop up and ask me, am I sure? Yep, I'm sure. Let's delete that. That happens live. If I were in ShapeEffects and as soon as this was done, I went into the background images, it would be gone. Okay, so now what I want to do is this image file, that the 1024 that we created in GIMP, I want to move this, or copy this, that is, not move. I want to copy this into the ShapeEffects document area. So I'll click hold, I'll click on it, hold it so I can drag it, and then I'll drop it down into that area. It'll now load into ShapeEffects. Now I can do this while ShapeEffects is running, or I can do it when it's not running. Either way, it's all the same. And the next segment then will then show you how to use that within the background images to be able to use it in your art. Now, one thing to mention is the clip art, these folders here, clip art, data, projects, thumbnails, user clip art, and user thumbnails. We want to keep those folders there. We don't delete them. We don't add anything in them. In fact, if you did drop something on there, I don't think it would go in there anyways. ShapeEffects uses these folders, so just leave these the way they are and copy your background images outside of that. The next segment again will detail further and put a cap on the entire process.